Hello dear friends, today we'll learn musical instruments. Do you like music? Music, музыка, музыка. Musical instrument, музыкальный инструмент, музыкальный инструмент. So what musical instruments do you know? Of course, guitar, гитара, гитара. Violin, скрипка, скрипка. Piano, пианино, пианино. Or рояль, рояль. This is pianino and this is рояль. Saxophone, saxophone, saxophone. Tube, труба, труба. And Russian musical instrument, балалайка, балалайка. It's traditional Russian music. And баян, баян, or another musical instruments which is like the same. Close. Аккордеон, аккордеон. Барабаны, барабаны. And one, барабан. Флейта, флейта. Бубен, бубен. And тарелки, тарелки. One, тарелка. It's the same word as plate, тарелка. That's all for musical instruments for today. Please write musical instruments that you know in comments. Bye!